You are using Midjourney all wrong, I guarantee it, and this one tip will save you so much time and also help you get specifically what you're trying to generate. Like this, when I wanted to generate Chester Bennington from Linkin Park in the style of an album cover, I got exactly what I wanted. It was the only one I did, and then I made variations. But if you look at my prompts, do you notice something that is different from yours? I want you to understand that the way Midjourney works is not in an English language way. Grammar and sentence structure mean absolutely nothing. In opposition to that, grammar and sentence structure can actually hinder the generative abilities of Midjourney. Now, I want you to look at this thumbnail I created for the AutoGPT tutorial. It was exactly what I wanted, but I want you to read the prompt. Do you notice something different? Because I could have worded it like this: a robot in the center of the screen holding tools. But this would be entirely wrong, because the word A, or the letter A, the words in the, of the, are all weighted. So I want you to understand this, that Midjourney weights every single word or letter that you put inside of your prompt. I see so many people generating things and they start it with a, or the, or in, or who. You know, they start it with a filler word. I want you to try generating your Midjourney prompts without any of these filler words. I guarantee that Midjourney will become much more accessible to you and much easier to use. Whenever you're generating a prompt, remember the weighting system. Every single word will have a weight. That means if I type a robot, 50% of the prompt is going to be going off the word or letter A, and the other 50% of the prompt is going to go off of robot. Now, if I said a robot in the ocean, we now have 5 words that Midjourney is considering for our prompt. 3 of those words is a, in, the. That means if I typed a robot in the ocean, what I really want to see is robot and ocean, right? I do not want any weight behind a and in and the. That means it would be much better to just do robot ocean like that. Because if I redo this, let me a robot in the ocean. This is 100% of a prompt. A is 20, in is 20, and the is 20. That means 60% of what Midjourney is considering when going to generate our image has nothing to do with what we want. We want to make sure that 100% of our prompt is understandable by Midjourney. That means robot and ocean will be weighted 50 and 50. Just remember that anytime you're generating in Midjourney. I wanted to make this quick little tip video, and don't forget to check out the channel for all of the tutorials on all of the new and upcoming AI tools.